Hey YouTube, so I'm coming to you from inside my camper shell, and this episode we are going to figure out a way to replace this broken glass window here. Basically, I was packing stuff into my truck's camper here, and I threw stuff in and it landed into this area, broke the whole glass, shattered it into millions of pieces. I tried my best to clean the glass pieces here as much as I can. However, there's still a lot of glass here as well as here. So there was a bunch of glasses, broken bits of glasses inside this little thingy here. So I did my best to clean it up. So basically what I'm doing is I bought an acrylic sheet, and I'm going to be cutting cutting a window here, or a sheet here to replace that broken glass. I don't know where to buy these little camper shell glasses. If you know, let me give me a link to it so I could buy one. Other than that, I'm going to be replacing this thing with an acrylic sheet. So hey, if you're interested in this little episode, follow me and let's go have fun together. Okay, so I've cut the acrylic glass pane already into the size. Basically, my measurement is 12 1/4 here, okay, by 13 3/8, about by 13 3/8. So basically, this is how the acrylic looks like. Okay, so I forgot to show you how to cut acrylic. So in cutting the acrylic, what I did was basically I used two vice grips here, okay, and I made sure that it's very centered, very squared. So basically what I did was I draw a line like that, okay, and then I use my handy dandy pocket knife. What I do is I start with the edge here, and with the edge turned against the my ruler here, I basically draw it out that way, and I would continually doing that. And then once I determine that it's I've made a deep enough gouge into the acrylic, what I would do is I would turn it against this way, draw it this way to cut out more lines into it, a wider line, a wider margin. Once that's done, being that this has already had a groove on it, I would then bend this forcibly, okay, with my hand, and it'll just crack along the line. And that's how I cut this thing. See, cut out pretty straight. You could see the little imperfection that I did here. So that's what I did here. And so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to make handles for it. Go right here. So what I am going to do here is I'm going to be cutting this out, and you'll see you'll see the end result. You notice how it's got the 90-degree angle here, like that. So I'm going to cut this out, and then I'm going to use part of it as a like a hinge, so I can open and close the window. Okay, so let me show you how it looks like after I'm done. Okay guys, so basically, remember this piece right here? It used to go in like that. Remember it used to go in like that, and that's how it used to look like. Okay, so what I did, I used a Dremel, okay, and cut across, cut a section like this out all the way here. Let's see, like that. Cut it down all the way like that. Alright, got this off. and then send the back down, as you can see here, and then drill a hose here. As you can see, this is a slotted hole. This hole was already here, so I drilled 2 more holes here. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rivet this into here, like that. See, I'm going to use my rivet gun and rivet it in. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something like that. I don't know if you could see. Okay. And rivet it in like this. Basically what I've done is I'm going to put this like that. Okay. Like so. And I'm going to put this like that. Okay. So what I have to do, what I've already done is I've used my little marker here and touched the areas here, and I'm ready to drill. So what we need to do is turn this one like this, line them up, and then we're going to start drilling. Okay, so we's ready, guys, and the rivet goes in. This is awesome. Be right back. Okay, guys, so we are back inside my little camper shell. I will be installing this doodad here. As you can see here, that's how this thing goes in. Okay, this here will be going in like this, and I'm going to rivet it in. Okay, it's aluminum, and then this here I'm going to rivet it in this way, like that, guys. It's going to be an awesome project. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go get my riveting tool. So in case you are wondering what kind of a rivet am I using, it's this kind. This is plastic right here, and it should mushroom up easily like this. I'm going to put this in here. This thing goes in like that, right? And then put my riveting gun into place. There you go. First rivet in. Now the reason why there's a handle on the other side is so that I could open from the inside. So then this thing stops right here, see? Pretty fun, huh? Oh, okay, that's it. Be right back. So, let's fix that. Okay. Nothing a little bit of drilling to do, I can fix. Alright. All right. This one goes in like that. Okay. The problem is that I'm gonna have is whether or not I could put this in here. See. And once I put this in here, I won't be able to, this won't be flexible anymore. Let's see if I can still take it out. Okay, yeah, okay. So, hey, let's do it on here. Okay, so this goes here. Oh, I'll show you. See, this is the back. That's how it looks like once it's squashed. Okay, so this goes in like this. Okay, so I'm thinking that I'm gonna go this route. Okay. There it is. Goes in. Don't you just love riveting? I think that's why they call it. Oh, it's so riveting. It's just so riveting to do this. Okay, there. Ta-da. Okay, so let's put it in and see what happens. Okay, there you go. There you go, guys. So this goes, it slides in, slides out. Okay. So as you can see, it's all right. It works just fine. let me know what your thoughts are. If you guys like this and think it's informational to you, like and subscribe. We'll see what I'll do next time.